Hey friends! In today's video, I'm excited to show you the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. This air fryer is going to take your cooking to the next level by using hot air to cook and crisp up your favorite foods with little to no oil. One of my favorite things about the Ninja AF101 is its wide temperature range from 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This lets you not only perfectly air fry foods like French fries, chicken, and veggies, but also dehydrate fruits and meats to make homemade chips and jerky. How cool is that? The 4-quart ceramic-coated basket is plenty big enough to cook for the whole family. It can hold up to 2 pounds of fries. In both the basket and crisper plate are nonstick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup super simple. This air fryer comes with 4 preset programs: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. So you can just press a button for all your basic cooking needs. The dehydrate function runs at a lower temp with lots of airflow to make the perfect dried snacks. In the box, you'll get the air fryer unit itself, the 4-quart nonstick basket, crisper plate, and a recipe book to get you started. With the Ninja AF101 you can cook all your faves like fries, wings, and veggies with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. It really opens up possibilities for tasty and healthy meals. If you're looking for an easy-to-use air fryer that can crisp up fried foods and also dehydrate snacks, the Ninja AF101 is a great option. I hope this video helped show what makes it so versatile. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions.